This is a video on using implicit differentiation to find the second derivative. The question states, find d squared y over dx squared in terms of x and y, with y squared equal 2x plus y. So d squared y over dx squared is the notation we use for the second derivative. To find the second derivative, we need to first find the first derivative. And since y is not written as a function of x, we use implicit differentiation, which means we take d over dx of both sides of the equation. So d over dx of y squared, we use a chain rule. That's going to be 2y times the derivative of the inside, which is y prime. So we get 2y y prime equals, and then the derivative of 2x is equal to 2, and the derivative of y with respect to x is just y prime. So now let's get y prime on the left-hand side by subtracting y prime from both sides. And I get 2y prime minus y prime equals 2. Then factor out a y prime, and I get y prime times 2y minus 1 equals 2. Now I'm going to solve for y prime, and instead of dividing by 2y minus 1, because that's going to leave a fraction, I'm going to multiply by 2y minus 1 to the negative first power. It's the same thing, but since we're going to be taking a second derivative, it's more convenient to have an exponent than it is to have a fraction. So what I get is that y prime is equal to 2 times 2y minus 1 to the negative first power. And now I want the second derivative, so I take a derivative of both sides and get that y prime is equal to the derivative of 2 times 2y minus 1 to the negative first power. So to find this derivative, I use the chain rule. The derivative of the inside of 2y minus 1 is 2y prime. And then the derivative of 2 times something to the negative first power is going to be negative 2 times that something to the negative second power. Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. So now let's simplify a bit. We can say that 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And we can also say y prime is 2 times 2y minus 1 to the negative first power. So I substituted in for y prime right here. And I can simplify some more. 4 times 2 is 8, and we have a 2y minus 1 to the negative first and a 2y minus 1 to the negative second. That's 2y minus 1 to the negative third power. So my final answer is that the second derivative, d squared y over dx squared, is equal to negative 8 times 2y minus 1 to the negative third power. And I'm done with the problem.